Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. The phone number and Google or Apple account must match the one used to create the backup. Next, open WhatsApp, go to Chat's chat backup, and note the backup date, time, and size so you know what you'll restore. If the backup is on Google Drive, make sure the device is signed into that Google account. For iCloud, use the linked Apple ID. Once done, plug into power and connect to stable Wi-Fi before moving on. Now reinstall WhatsApp to prompt the restore workflow. When you open it, verify the phone number you enter. This must match the backup. Grant storage and account permissions. Without them, the app cannot see your backup file. When the app detects a backup, choose the right file and tap Restore. Media may download after messages, so wait patiently. If media download is large, let it run on Wi-Fi and keep the app open. Make sure you do not skip any prompts during. Finish by completing your profile and allowing WhatsApp to re-index messages. This can take minutes, so don't interrupt the process. If the restore fails, confirm there's enough free storage, re-authenticate the Google or Apple account in device settings, and retry the restore. For Google Drive backups, ensure the Drive app shows the backup file and that WhatsApp has permission to access it. If needed, upload a local backup or transfer backups via USB. One key tip: when stuck, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then retry the restore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.